Today we've got a special video. I am going to be cooking from my new cookbook, Live Life Keto. This cookbook is going to be published November 29th, 2022. So we're gonna make a recipe from the book and I'm super excited. We're gonna make jambalaya with chicken, shrimp, and andouille sausage. It is going to be so delicious. So let's get started. If you are interested in pre-ordering my cookbook, you can just go to jenniferbands.com/cookbook and it will take you right to the pre-order page. I would greatly appreciate it. We worked so hard on this cookbook for over a year. We're still working on it. And yeah, so if you don't mind, please check it out. So let's get started with this delicious jambalaya recipe. I'm super excited because it is so perfect for meal prep. And it divides out easily. In the cookbook we give all of the like exactly how much a serving is. We give all of the nutrition information. So I've got a heavy pot here, a Dutch oven, and we're going to cook. We've got some andouille sausage. We've got a pound of andouille sausage. So I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of avocado oil in my pot. I'm going to put it at medium-high heat, because we're going to brown our sausage. We've sliced the sausage into smaller pieces and we're gonna brown it in the oil. These are gonna brown for about 2 minutes on each side. Oh, I love the smell of avocado oil heating in a pot. It smells so good. So we're looking for a little bit of browning on each side, about like that. So I'm going to flip these over until the other side can brown. Okay, we're removing just the last pieces of the sausage from the pot. And we're gonna set that aside. And now we're gonna add in our vegetables. We've got a small diced onion. This is like a traditional mirepoix. A red bell pepper diced, and 2 stalks of celery diced. So we're gonna let these vegetables cook for about 5 to 7 minutes until they're soft. Okay, our vegetables are looking good, so I'm gonna add a pound of diced chicken thigh, boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I'll stir that in. 1 can of fire roasted tomatoes, a 15-ounce can, and 2 cups of chicken broth. Now let's add in our spices. We've got a half a teaspoon of dried thyme, 2 teaspoons of dried oregano, 1/4 to a half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. I don't really like a lot of spice, so I'm gonna do 1/4 of a teaspoon, and 1 tablespoon of Cajun seasoning. It doesn't matter what brand, all different kinds are out there. Just pick the one that you can find at the grocery store, or if you have a favorite one, just use it. I've still got my pot on medium heat, so I'm gonna cover this with the lid. We're just gonna let that cook for about 15 minutes. Our jambalaya is looking good, so let's finish this up. We've got a pound of shrimp here, raw shrimp, that we're gonna stir in. And I've got a 12-ounce package of frozen cauliflower rice. You don't have to thaw it, so we're gonna pour that in. I love these packages of frozen cauliflower rice. It's so handy. So we're gonna stir this in, and this is gonna cook for 5 minutes, just until our shrimp are cooked through. They're gonna turn pink. Oops. Our cauliflower rice is going to thaw, and then we will be done. Okay, let's taste this just to make sure we have it seasoned really nicely. That is, honestly, I don't think it needs any salt because we used that chicken broth. It's got a perfect little bit of heat from that cayenne pepper. Let's stir in our andouille sausage. Oh yeah, look at that. This makes 6 very generous servings. I would almost say that it could make 8 servings. But yeah, be sure you check this out, because look at this. Look at all of this deliciousness in this pot. Oh my goodness. You are definitely gonna wanna try this. Oh, let me get a different spoon. Let me get a bite of shrimp and sausage. Needless to say, I am really excited for dinner. And remember, be sure you pre-order my cookbook and you will get the full recipe right in there. It'll give you all of the nutrition information. And the cookbook comes out November 29th, 2022. If you go to jenniferbands.com/cookbook, you can pre-order your copy. If you're in the UK or Canada, you can go to Google and just Google Live Life Keto Cookbook, and it will take you to an international link to pre-order your copy. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.